guys, what's up? ¿Cómo están? I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm bringing you a bomb video, girl. You're gonna love this video. I know. I was so freaking excited to make this video, and I was thinking of not making it, but then I'm like, you know what? I gotta make it. I had to make it. I'll tell you guys why though in the video. By the way, if you guys don't know who I am, my name's Adriana Luna, and I make beauty videos, recipes, and all the good stuff. So I got you, and I would love if you can join my YouTube family and hit that subscribe button. So on today's video, by the title, you guys already know what I'm about to do. But the reason why I didn't want to make this video, because it's everywhere on YouTube. The way that I doing my brows, I have not seen it on YouTube like this. So I'm like, maybe there's a reason why it's not on YouTube. I'm like just making so many, you know, excuses in my head. At the same time, I'm like, I have to do it. Like, you know, I'm like, I gotta do it. But the reason why, because I didn't know so much about this soap that I'm about to show you guys, put you on game. Well, this soap, first of all, it has like 4 ingredients. It is non-toxic, it's clean, it is not harmful. Girl, even babies can use it. It's ready. Ta-da! I've been doing my brows with the Zote Soap, and if you're Mexican, then you know about this. You know, you probably don't know everything that it does, because girl, this is like gold. I swear, this is like gold. It was hard to find a little bit, I think, because of the whole quarantine that's going on, but it was hard to find. But you can find it at the dollar store, you can find it at your Dollar General, you can find it at Walmart. So I will leave all the information you guys need to know below. So let's jump right into this video. Here's how my brows look without any product. And yes, I have not tweezed the brows, girl. I get really lazy when it comes to that. But I do my own brow routine and all that jazz, but I'm not gonna do it right now. So I've been using the Urban Decay makeup setting spray. Use whatever spray you have, or use water. I just been using this one, and this one is an oil control. So here is my Zote Soap. I spray that. And then I've been using my Precisely my brow pencil. You guys can even see right here. And I just, and then I just do this, making sure I get some product in that spoolie. And then I use the back of my hand and remove the excess of the product, making sure you don't remove it all. Just making sure that the spoolie is still wet. And then I start brushing upwards. This is how my brows came out. I feel like I need more brows, and there's so much space that you guys see right there that need a lot of filling. So I take my Precisely my brow pencil, and I use 4.5. I take my pencil and I'll just outline the bottom of my brow. So girl, right here I am missing so much hair. I bring it down, and then I outline the top of my brow as well. Then I take my Foolproof brow powder, and I am using number 5. I grab the darkest shade with a really skinny brow brush by Here Wise. Use whatever brush you guys have. So I'm using that one because I just love the way that it's so precise. And then I start filling everything in. I'm just gonna take a flat brush with some concealer on it and clean. So at the bottom, when I clean it, I do 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. And at the top, I do my best to always apply foundation, because I just don't like the way this color looks on top. So I grabbed some foundation. You don't have to do the step that I'm about to do because that's why we did the soap brows, but I use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit Cosmetics, and I just lay everything. I mean, it's not even like, I feel like I don't need it, but like, you know, when you have to do it, like to make you feel better, that's why. The hairs are already like this. And I just love the fact that you cannot see. Dang, doesn't one brow look brown? This one looks black. I don't know, but you cannot see the residue from the soap. Nothing comes out, you know, like if you put so much soap, like white will start coming out. You cannot see that. So that's why I really, really love this. And I'm so happy that I'm finally showing you guys. So here's a little close-up of everything already done. I did my makeup for you guys, and I just love the way my brows look. I feel like they look bold. They don't look too crazy. They look like my brows, but better. And girl, I'm telling you, I'm gonna put you on it. This is not sponsored, by the way. Shoot, Zote, get at me. Let's make some videos, because woo, I know this thing is like gold. Seriously. So this is just a new pack that I have. I have the other one in the restroom, which I use to clean my brushes. Hope you guys love this video. Please, girl, go get yourself some Zote Soap. You are gonna love it, because I'm gonna leave you guys a link below of everything that you can do with it, because I was reading, I was like, what? And I called my mom, like, Mom, did you know that you could do this with the soap? I mean, girl, there's endless. It's like gold. Seriously, it's like gold. So I'm gonna link you guys down below. Thank you guys. So make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your girl. Share with everyone you guys know, because I know this is the bomb diggity. So make sure you guys share it. Give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget, why am I going like this? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join my YouTube family. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.